At least 3 migrants were killed when the boat they were traveling in capsized in waters off the coast of Florida on Thursday. A boat measuring 7.5 meters long was carrying 12 migrants when it capsized in waters about 130 kilometers northeast of West Palm Beach, Florida, on February the 6th. A Royal Netherlands Navy ship en route to the Caribbean encountered the overturned vessel. 7 people were rescued, at least 3 people were killed, while 2 remain missing. Many migrant journeys begin at the Haitian northern coast, which is more than 950 kilometers away from Miami, Florida. Migrants from Haiti, Cuba, and other Caribbean countries frequently sail through the Bahamas in an attempt to reach the Florida coast.